You mentioned that there's really not been a lot of permanence around this. And in addition to that, a couple of things I want to touch on. The year George Steinbrenner died, didn't have an estate tax. But there is something called stepped up basis. I want you to spend a minute on that because this is really interesting, because one of the things that I want to tell people is they think that George Steinbrenner died and there's no tax. It's not actually the case. So let's be clear. Describe the stepped up basis and how that is different than the estate tax, but yet still a tax.
Sure. One of the provisions of the tax code is that every asset included in your taxable estate or in your estate, whether it's taxable or not, the basis of that asset is stepped up to fair market value as of your date of death. So if you have inherited a low basis asset or you purchased a low basis asset, when you pass away, even though that asset has grown in value and there's a lot of capital gains sort of built into that asset, when you pass away, that basis is stepped up and the capital gains is washed out, except for 2009. 2009 said, okay, fine, no estate tax, but also, no step up in basis.
Let's stop there for